Here's another recently extinct animal that you probably didn't know existed, the Hoopoe Starling. The Hoopoe Starling was native to the Reunion Islands off the coast of Africa, specifically the Mascarene Island. Now, it was thriving there for a long time, but when settlers came to the Reunion Islands, the populations of the Hoopoe Starling, along with pretty much every other endemic Reunion species, started to rapidly decline. It's not exactly known the precise date when the Hoopoe Starling became extinct. It is thought to have become extinct before the 1850s, though, or around that time. There were multiple reasons for the decline of the Hoopoe Starling, including hunting from the settlers on Reunion. It was thought to be a crop pest, so they decided to hunt them. It was also reportedly decent for eating, so people would hunt it for food. Were also kept as pets by people living there, and it's thought that some of them were exported, but again, nobody knows for sure if any of them actually left the island in the pet trade. Another reason for the decline of the Hoopoe Starling, as well as many other species on the Reunion Islands, specifically bird species, is the introduction of invasive species. Through both competition and predation, there was introduced myna birds to the island that competed with the Hoopoe Starling for food and other resources, and there were invasive predators such as cats, as well as black and brown rats brought to the island that ate both the birds as well as the eggs. And then there was also a large introduction of foreign illnesses brought to the island by other birds that these guys had no natural defenses against, so endemics would sweep through the population of these birds, wiping out a ton of them because they had no natural defenses because they didn't evolve alongside these illnesses. Habitat loss and deforestation also contributed to the decline, and there was one source that said that the last of them was probably wiped out by a forest fire that happened on the island. However, modern sources think that they were well extinct before that big fire happened. So there isn't really one specific reason why they went extinct. The most cited sources for the final extinction was most likely a large disease that wiped out the remaining population, but all of these factors that I mentioned before did help contribute to its decline and eventual extinction.